My sister Rose. My sister Rosealee, we gotta do something, man. Why do something and fix all of this? I mean, I like how things are going on. It'll get out of hand, bro. I mean, I like it. It'll get out of hand, man. I mean, I like it, man. I know one of my things are negative, you know, but I don't really like it. One bag of negativity I mix up, you know. And over again, and I'll be like, stop living at your brother, shut up. Stop follow Akeem. Everything Akeem does, he follow because I'm a big brother. I may be not follow. When I'm just a while like a fans, yes, bad mind bumbo will may have fans. On a vex.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete of minute upon the beat, and as you can see, put on the screen. Everybody I put them 2 cents in. I know Akeem brother is here trying to salvage the family business. People putting in the comment section where you think about that, because I'm not gonna lie to you. The man I defending brother hard, you know. You know what I mean? Why for that? You see me? But he's saying a lot of unnecessary things, saying, you know, Akeem is spending his own money on these series business, you know, when him take Rosealee out on a date and all of this stuff. But if this thing is fake, he shouldn't be talking about that, because these business expense should be taken out of the series money, then them split whatever. You know what I mean? And if a man is spending money on a woman, if this is true love, him shouldn't be talking about it. You know what I mean? So, you know, these guys don't really have a good image on social media per se. Because, you know, them have the motives of fish and scammer. And, you know, these series things with Diamond, who's in on the scam, it's making them look good and they're benefiting it. As you say, BMW buy and Jakes get upset. You know what I mean? What you see in front of you is right here is somebody sending me the people in business saying Akeem, you know, has this real woman who doesn't allow him to be on live past 1 a.m. and him can't do the roasting on the weekend because that's a freedom time. And she's not really stressing because she knows that Akeem is him not like Rose like them. You see man, so she's okay with it, you know what I mean? Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. One bag of sentence, you see my people. So let's hear what him brother have to say about the whole idea and things. Just do me a favor and like and share the video from now on our social media platforms. You see me?
Come like, I remember the type of youth I deal with. Nothing on the server you can't get me done. Nothing at all. Me a Taurus, me no make nothing bother me. I know it's not mad like a for me. So anything I don't want to say, I say it, bro. The only thing I do, I come out to defend my 3 than them. My brother, my sister Rose, and my wife Diamond. I don't care about nothing else. As me as a chat, on behalf of the whole Rice family, I'm sorry for everybody behavior lately. But now if you understand, say the team a human being too. You understand? There's only a limit for what them can endure. So I'm sorry on behalf of the whole Rice family. All life fans them do what me hear me a talk on a screen recording like me I say. I apologize to my fans. Hear the people in the comment section. Fans? When I'm just a while like a fans, yes, bad mind bumbo will me have fans. Wanna vex, wanna come beat me and kill me for it. Everything me say wanna make me a problem. You know what day me come out chat and me I say, yo, big apology to my fans and thing. In a comment section like, wanna do jealous? Say me have fans? Wanna bad mind fuck? Wanna do mad? Ignorant? I never overnight it up, man. I earn it there. I put in my fair share of time and I do my fair share of work just like anybody else, bro. I never beg no strength either. Me and someone wanna come out and say, oh, them a feed off my girl, them feed off of my fuck. The whole of we help out to one another, bro. The whole of we help out to one another. You see me? I know one person do this or 2 person do this, or the 4 of we make it happen. At the 4 of we together change over that little curse how we did go on TikTok, the bag of cuss and thing. At the 4 of we together do that. Me now go take no props to myself, my brother now go take the props to himself. At the whole of we do this thing together. One never do it before nobody, one never give nobody clout. The whole of we been have clout before the series start. The series just make the clout even bigger. You understand what I say? All of we did have clout before the series start. My brother did been have over 70,000 followers. Me did been have over 100,000. We been around too. You see me? But just because of no bad mind, bro. At that I root at all evil. The ranking. the ranking I wrote all leave. Someone in a comment section with big dirty whale, we like on a mother. You come on for a girl name and allow a girl alone, man. You could wait for see something happen to start bring down the girl down. Because in a phone a big head, we mash up now. So you can't decide, but you can't decide same way. Rose and me done, regardless. Ease up her far, man. You see me? Ease up her far, bro. I'm done. She have her ways and she fuck up, yes, but I'm done. Me not style her, I not violate her thing. Me have mad respect for her. I not pretend my loyalty, bro. Me not have time to fake my loyalty charge you from me rate you. And you just have to prove me wrong for me not rate you again. I saw me stay, bro. That's what I say. I saw me stay. See a group I create a group for some people I can trust. And up to now, every single thing that happen on this app here, them send me it. Everything will go on, every bad message, every bad comment, them send me. Moderators, on the dep on my page now. Remember what we talk about? You see all of them names down on the screenshot? I search for them and block them for me. All of them names that we did in a comment section, the little time we absent, and I bring with them, search for them and block them for me. As you see the name pop up over here, so dash away. That's why I'm telling you for screenshot, cause them in my comment section now, and them be like, bro, we miss you, suck on no mama. You can't style me, you can't play fake with me. I'm tired of you now, bro. I'm tired of you now, dog. When I'm not the live, when in a comment, not the live, when in a comment section, bro, now bring me right down. As I see me come live, oh, my favorite TikToker. I'm not the pan, you know. Moderator, search for name them, dash them way. All of my fans them, all of my supporters them, and my dear one them. Good morning. Once again, sorry for me absent. But you see, a lot did I go on over this blood clot, yeah. You see me? Nobody now back out. So let me fix up all of the allegations and when I see I go towards me and my brother now. Nobody now black out. Nobody now have no plan and I look a get away. Where we I get away from? Eh? A girl have two hard in the head. What's wrong with them? When I see two blood clot on their head, where we I get away from? Which part of the trouble there? Where is the problem? A girl them must have bull cow make we a try get out. I must that. A girl them must have bull cow make we a try get away. After that, cause me not see no big stone in their head. Me not see no hand in their face or no bag of scare or cut. So where we a try get away from? What exactly we say we are run from? Where we are run from? Where exactly we are run from? So I want to come out. First I say, figure it out, no one diamond. When I come out and I say I'm done that for life, when I come out and say diamond, I want to figure it out. Make up on the mind, who no want who? Who no want who? You just chat enough. I don't know how to stay out of people's business. Cause the girl them nice. Last year, every single day, they on the media, their head pull up, them a cuss. This year, no not get no cuss out of them is a problem. Why on hate positivity, so bro? Tell me. Why on hate positive movement, so? What? Jesus Christ. It's a team, and it now mash up, bro. Everybody on the live, do me a favor, team. Power tap the screen. I tell my brother out there, I say, bro, do not make them people a break you. You see me? You see they explain when him come out here, come explain what they are. We talk about it first, you know. Me and him not sleep the night before, you know. You see me? Because I say, bro, I know you hate it, but you have to know how to deal with the media. And yeah, him come out, him explain for him part, and that's it. Him not argue with nobody, he not cuss with nobody because that's not the way. And I one thing I rate with him. Just like how when him tell me things, me listen. If him feel like he must overstep or go out of way and come to me and he say, Mag, you think me for go live? You think me for explain myself? You think me for this? You think me for that? And that band that we have, bro. We not do nothing without the other one consent. You understand what I say? And if we feel like the wrong thing we do, we are go and we are sit up and we are talk about it before we do it. He was calm, me did it right beside him the whole time when he do him thing. Yeah. A dog done it, the dog said, bro, what you think? Me no come off like me a cuss or nothing. I say no. I saw you for deal with it, bro. You do it respectfully. You hear me, dog? That is it, man. We miss him bad. I hear nothing from you in the comment section, bro. I know who rate the dog from who not rate it. I wanna stay. When I just want to see the views over 1,000. When I start chat, be a good. When I just want to see the views over 1,000. I still want to stay now. As long as when I see the views over 1,000, everybody love it all of a sudden. You see, as soon as we gone off our live, I want to go and see on next page with over 2,000 chat bad boy. I want to start agree over this. So I don't want to come tell me nothing in my comment section. I done them. Big up on yourself. I know. Rice family, big up on yourself. I know. The rest of I don't want your shit. Come over here. He's such a good person. He's so amazing as we turn we back. You hear so we are user. You hear so we are trickster. You hear so we are abuser. Keep on our opinion, man. We good. We solid, bro. Keep on our opinion, man. Me alright. I'm my sister Rose. My sister Rosealee. We gotta do something, man. Why do something and fix all of this? I don't like how things are going on. It get out of hand, bro. I don't like it. It get out of hand, man. I don't like it, man. I know one of my things are negative, but I don't really like the one bag of negativity I mix up, and over again, and I be like, stop living in your brother's shadow. Wait, stop follow Akeem. Everything Akeem does, he follow because I'm a big brother. I may been a follow from a little and small. You see me? I even been of each one teach one. Oh no, me know say me not take program none tal. You see me? Nor me is a pushover either. Me not gross bro. But listen, when me break it down and explain something to you so you can understand real quick. Alright. So this is a little mini story time. So the thing that you don't understand is me is a special child. Meaning me not really so write it up as so. That's what I say, but I grew up that problem you know. Boom. There was a time when the whole family did neglect me, see? Mother, father, sister, brother, cousin. Nobody no want me around them none time. Meaning them just have me as a burden instead of as a family. You get what I say? Why me have that banner with Akeem now? It's a case where when everybody shut the door in my face, bro, and slam the door, I'm alone, open film door, and say forward as my bigger brother. If never have to do that. You see me? Because when you not really have nothing, bro, I not really contribute nothing, people not really want you to use you. Because we come from a using world, you know, whether I don't like it or not. You see, if it's not important enough, somebody don't want you around them. You see me? You have to make yourself valuable for people, accept you and appreciate you. Boom. First time I'm carrying back at the yard. My own mother. You see me? That's a female mother, not my real mother. I say, yo, no, we don't want him. And it's for a long time and ending and thing. And bro, I'm telling you the dog though. The dog give me female 1 bedroom. At the time it was a 1 bedroom to the side of the house where the dog belonged. You know the dog though? Dog give me female 1 bedroom for staying and every single night. The dog spending money and sleep at Airbnb. Which family are gonna do that? And the small things that I look upon, you know. Which family are gonna do that? You see me? The man give me him room, brother, and him not have nowhere else to sleep, you know. And the dog go time away and rent Airbnb every single night. You see me? Until I could have helped myself and do better. So yeah, I go follow him. You see me? Because when enough of over here, so when not even did know say me exist, or you would accept me. You dog never there to think twice. You see me? And it's a case where Akeem was always the money man. I don't feel like a TikTok I don't know for we, bro. We been have money before we come over, right or so. That's what I say. And you say me just go around walk. I never have nothing, bro. More what you would have called a workplace man. Meaning me not have shit. You see it? And the dog show me, he teach me, he make me understand, say bro, you need things no matter how small it is. You need a bed before you even buy a car. You need this before you buy that. And bro, me never really grow with love in my life, none at all. You see, every birthday, Akeem alone ever give me a birthday present for my birthday. Them things that my mother not even do for me charging. My own mother not doing that. You see me? Yeah, bro. My own mother not do them things they charge you. And Akeem go time with every single birthday to make me feel that appreciation there of a family. You see what I say? One day I go to him and I say, bro, if I give me birthday, I give for them thing there. Man say, I know you never grow with them thing there, bro. So I want you feel how it feel if you know, say, yo, your family there love you same way. You know, catch back that flame there in your heart, bro. And she say, people love your dog. You see what I say, Chargy? So if you not understand, who don't know me, would have things that me I follow Akeem. Who know me, would have know say the brain and the reason ability me have out of this planet. You see the reason ability me have and the brain me have, who they are girls class for them long time there, know how me stay. My reason ability no normal. And when me reason sometimes I have to wonder if they are that age. You see what I say, bro? Who know me know say, yo, my level, which part me there, I don't know normal. You see what I say, so people them always assume most likely the new people them. You see me, people who just forward and not even know me. I'm just say, oh, everything in brother doing follow. I mean, first start the girls class on TikTok. You see me? Akeem wasn't interested in TikTok none time, but show me I do it, I say, bro, forward man, make it tour we do it. You see me? Because the dog was not even a media person like that. The dog just there ease up off my media little and just come see. Me force the dog to come over here. I mean I regret it. Cause see it there? Each one help one. Same when the dog just forward, I tell the whole of my people, them say, yo, I'm a big brother this, you know. The dog just start. Everybody will support me. See my dog, yeah, I tour in this together. You see it? I see it there. The dog blow up bigger now. I tour away again. You know, everything, it was always the both of us. You see what I say? It wasn't a competition for a morning. We just want to know say the tour we fuck up the world and the tour we win, dog. You see me? If me fall now, the dog will push me. If him fall now, me I push him. And that's why we're so blessed, bro. And that's why good I can always come in abundance because nobody no bad mind, nobody heart, no black. You see me? It's all we know say, yo bro, we's a team, you know. We in this for win it, you know. By the hook of the crook. You understand what I say, bro? That's all it was ever was, Chargy. You see it? But this me that thing now, why not so not when I come like, bro. I don't expect everything from our Chargy. I don't expect so to be perfect. It's like we not even have feelings to bomba clad. True, we are the man, it's like we not even have feelings. Everything we say is a fucking problem. Everything we do is a problem, bro. You see me? Because yeah, the man in a series, so then for all up their stress. And when the girl them in a series, sometime with the fuckery, everybody move like say, yo, it alright. And as we sleep one time on a crucify way. As we sleep one time, bro, them people are crucify we over this dog. Me I tell you no fam, as we sleep one time, them crucify we. Like people are make mistake. You know, if it was perfect, we not do nothing wrong none time. Bro, you see, even if I go up on a date charge, before even the date start, dog, them people are bring me right down. Before even the date start, bro, them people are just mash me. And the date not even start yet, you know, dog. So I wanna do them thing that, bro, I wanna expect. I gotta just laugh and good. No, I will try my best for not pay it no mind. I will try my best for ignore no, bro. But me a human being, dog, sometimes it fucking get to me. You see me? Sometimes it get to me, Chargy. Like me we did that, me I move like say me tough and everything good. But me not tough for bumbo clock, bro. Me not tough. Sometimes it get to me, dog. You see me? And you know what the fucked up thing about it? As content creators, we just will sit down and allow people to disrespect we. And you see whenever we come out for put on a defense for defend ourselves, watch him go on like him a smaddy. I don't know why they not cancel him. Why move like him better than everybody else? So if we just sit down and make people bash way, this way, talk bad boy and just slam we in the dirt. You see me? If we just make people slam we in the fucking dirt, bro, and say nothing. You see it? Cause yeah man, we are man. So when people are telling you, I'll go, suck your mother and this and that, we don't say nothing at all. And as soon as we start talking and I defend ourselves and I stand up for what we stand for, you hear say they hype, and you hear say them a move like them a smaddy, you hear say them this and you hear say them that. What you expect from we, bro? What you guys expect? If we just sit down and make everybody say what them want, say this one, I would just not say nothing. We just laugh like everything good and everything bougie, though. You know, unfair, fuck dog. And that's why we don't want to come live. Because we know every single thing we do is a problem for you. You see me? So if you don't want to know the reason why we are stressed when we come live, at that. Because if we either come out and try to defend ourselves and stand up for what we stand for, a problem. What the youth come out and trust me, he dog did a very good job on the live when him come do. Him come out as calm as him can. And I stay soon in a screen record and I burn out the man to pussy cloud. I say my thief, he know what him do. And the man come out as the whole night. We sit down and we reason. And I say, bro, he ask me, and I say, the man say, Jay, you go live? I said, dog, if you tell you the truth, I want to go in about. But that's not in a vibe. The man say, Jay, I see him, so I feel, dog. What you think me for do? I say, Akeem, the people them need a response. You see what I say? Be a thing attack, you need to come out and stand up for yourself. The man say, Jay, you sure? I don't want to cause no trouble, you know. So, if I see you go too far and I see like you come off like you cuss, me myself, we can press the end button on any live for you. And then when you come like, I sit down right just beside that. You see me? And I read the comment section and I monitor the live and I make sure say you're right. When I see him, I get emotional now. I signal him and I say, bro, end it. And that's why I see him cut it off and end it. You see me? Because I don't want to come off like we are cuss. We can't be the aggressor, bro. It makes no sense.
Yeah, as me say, me nah buy nothing them tea lists that sell me no, but me are the messenger doing the Lord work. So I give you know the business. People don't forget to go up on my next channel, then boom bye news and Kartel Boss channel for check out. Well, go on for them to go on with that story, yeah, you see me, cause we have more things for uploading of the day, you see it. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop the latest on the dancehall news, musical reviews, and gossips. Bless.